Alright, this is what I did. That's the battery kill switch. Kills off the battery when it's off. That way the battery doesn't die. ACC switch and the on position switch. I did both of them different. They're two different wires. And this is how I turn on my car. Flip this switch. Flip this tool. My key in it because the EWS2. Don't laugh at my push to start. I still gotta get my button. I just have a screwdriver. Use my cigarette lighter for now. My car is on. It's on. So now to turn it off, flip the switch right here. The car is off.